Philosophy comes from a word philos, which means friend, and sophia, which means wisdom. Philosophy is caring for one's soul or real self to make it the best possible. It is about wondering about the totality of reality. It inquires about universal objective truth to transform daily activities, self, and environment. Education is to assist a feeling, suffering, and rejoicing, free person fashion and essence for himself. The duty of the practitioner of education is to assist the students to assume responsible selfhood, to grow up and face the world responsibly. Moreover, education is for full development of the individuality of the individual and contribute in the realization of self. Education must make up learners aware of the infinite possibilities of his freedom and the responsibilities he must bear in life. Further, every individual is unique. Education must develop to individual differences. So at this point, I claim that philosophy implies the actualization of this higher spiritual organ and the realities which are the very topic of philosophy, far from being inferior to the tangible. Today, on the contrary, there is boundless respect for and unwavering faith in science exhibited by the very philosophers who deny objective truth and profess as philosophers complete relativism and subjectivism. However, at the same time, they look upon science as something incomparably superior. To these points, I answered that as stated in our readings and discussed in class first, there are many wrong philosophers. For example, subjective idealism that can still claim the name of philosophy, however erroneous. For despite their errors, they are nevertheless the result of philosophical speculation, construction, and argumentation. Thus, philosophy approaches the data of morality, beauty in art and nature, the spiritual life of the human person, free will, love, and knowledge. That's all. Thank you.